No one is allowed in this tunnel. Huh? The tunnel is blocked off. There's a giant egg in the way.
Giant egg? Hello, Funlings.
Hi, Thomas. There's something in this tunnel. Yeah, we need magic to open the tunnel. No.
What? Why not?
We can't say.
Why not?
Because if you know the reason why you can't go in, it will make you want to go in even more. Yay! Woohoo! Huh?
What? Giant egg?
What? Giant egg? It's blocking the tunnel.
Excuse me. I need to get through.
Sorry, you two. There's a giant egg in the way.
Giant egg? Oh, does that mean there's a giant chicken somewhere too? Nope. Let's work together. Yeah. Come on. Oh.
Nope.
Aha.
I can help. Yeah. Ta-da! Yes, I can do that. Right. Ooh. Yeah. Nope, I can't help.
Aha. Ta-da! Okay then. Uh-oh. Whoa!
Oh dear. Aha! I have a plan.
Goodbye, egg. Yes, I can do that.
Harold! Harold! Harold!
Yay! Come on, Harold! Whoa! Whoa!
Uh-oh.
Whoa! Uh-oh! Whoa! Whoops! Aha!
Fire! Fire! Uh-oh. Whoa! Careful, Pirate Funlings. Fire!
Whoa! It's not working, pirates.
Fire! Huh? Hey! Who broke my window? Uh-oh! Run!
Aha! Got it!
Will it work? Huh? Ah! Fire! My cape is on fire!
I'm here to help.
Ah! Whoa! Whoa! Ooh! Phew! The fire is out.
Nope, this didn't work.
Aha!
Uh-oh! Ooh! No rhino! Whoa!
Rhino! Oh, sorry everyone. Stop, Rhino! Oh dear, we can't move the giant egg.
Wow!
Huh? James?
Wow! Oh!
Woohoo! Well done, James!
Yay! I did it! Great! Yay! The track is clear!
Ooh, the giant egg had a giant toy inside.
Giant toy? What is it?
Awesome. No one is allowed in this tunnel. Not even Thomas.
Alright, time to go through the tunnel. Do-do-do. Huh? What's going on?
We're not letting anyone go through this tunnel. Not even Thomas.
What? But I need to go through.
No.
What? Why not?
We can't say.
Why not?
Because if you know the reason why you can't go in, it will make you want to go in even more.
I'll find a way in.
No, he won't.
I've got a few ideas how I can get in there.
Do you think Thomas will get in? Not on our watch.
Tunnel Inspector! I've got to inspect the tunnel.
What?
Hello there. Please may I go in the tunnel to inspect it?
Thomas, I know it's you.
Thomas? I'm not Thomas.
Yes, you are. You're the number one. Oh?
No, that's a T for Tunnel Inspector.
You got a point. No, you're not allowed in.
Oh, I can't believe you. Oh, wait till Sir Topham Hatt hears about this.
This eye patch is a great disguise.
That wasn't even a good tunnel inspector costume.
Hello, Funlings.
Huh?
I'm the pirate engine, and I need to go through the tunnel.
Your first disguise wasn't great, and this one is even worse.
What? But this is my first disguise. Oops.
No, you've already pretended to be a tunnel inspector.
Funlings, why were you so rude to our guest, the Tunnel Inspector?
What? So, that wasn't actually Thomas?
Does he look like Thomas to you? I'm not going to inspect that tunnel now.
Oops, we thought it was Thomas.
Huh, it did look like me. I need a new plan. Here, Funlings, have this cake.
Oh, yummy! No, Funling! Hiya! There! What? You can't distract us with cake, Thomas.
Oh, fine.
He just won't give up, will he? Ooh, I know how we can stop him.
If the cake didn't distract them, maybe these fireworks will. Hee. Oh, hey! They've blocked the tunnel with a huge rock. Oh, but there is a little gap there. I just need to shrink down a bit.
Oh, maybe I can help with that, Thomas.
Oh, yes, please, Wizard Funling.
Hoo-yah! Ta-da!
Perfect, thank you. I can finally see what's in the tunnel.
I made Thomas happy.
Oh, wow, the tunnel is a portal to Miniland. Everyone is a mini. Ooh, except me. I was a mini going into the land, so now I'm a mini. Uh-oh, dragon! Get off! Help!
Blocking the tunnel with this rock was a great idea. Thomas definitely can't get in now. What's that? A fireworks truck? Oh, Thomas left that there when I shrunk him so we could go in the tunnel. What? He's gone to Miniland? We didn't want anyone going in there before we know everything about the land. Oops. I'll help you get in. Thanks. Thomas might need our help.
I saw a Thomas. He's up there with the dragon. Help!
What? Yep, of course he's been carried away by a dragon. We need to help him. Oh yeah, we're coming, Thomas. Oh, what can we do to help? I don't know.
I can rescue him.
Spencer?
No, I'm Rocket Spencer. Hey, Thomas. Gotcha. There we go.
Wow, thanks Rocket Spencer.
You're welcome, Mini Thomas.
Come on, let's go home. Through here.
Now I'm just Mini Thomas.
Yeah!
Thank you. Sorry I ignored your advice and went into the tunnel, Funlings.
Well, we did try to warn you. It's a good job Rocket Spencer was nearby.
Yeah, next time I'll try to keep my curiosity under control.
Yay! Let's make some echoes in the tunnel. Huh? The tunnel is blocked off.
We shouldn't go in. Could be dangerous.
Or it could be treasure. Let's go inside.
Looks like magic.
Yeah, we need magic to open the tunnel. Oh, which Funling is over there? Wizard Funling is better at magic than you. Oh yeah? Whoa! There we go.
I'm excited.
What's going to be inside? I don't think it's treasure.
What a beautiful day. Hi, Percy. Huh? Why is it cold?
James, what's happened to your tender?
My tender? It's a ghost. Run away.
I'm leaving too. A ghost train.
Yes, we found the ghost train.
The ghost train is taking tenders.
We need magic to trap the ghost train.
Wizard Funling, please can you help us catch a ghost train?
Yeah, okay. Let's go. We need to get the train back to the tunnel. Sorry, Kana.
Oh, Wizard Funling.
Now let's close off this tunnel.
We did it!
Let's find the tenders.
Nothing here.
I'd better check inside the tea room. One chocolate cake, please. Where are the tenders? What was that? Ah, I found the tenders!
We stopped the ghost train.
And we found the tenders. Now let's bring them back to the engines. Ooh, that sounds like a monster in the tunnel. Yeah, and now we just need to make sure that Thomas doesn't go through the tunnel. Yeah!
Phew, what a day. Time to relax. Oh, hello, Gordon.
Hello, Thomas.
You've been working very hard recently. Well done. Thanks, Gordon. I'm really tired now. I'm going to go back to my shed. Okay, don't rush. Okay, I won't. Oh, I hope those Funlings stop Thomas from going through that tunnel. Why did Gordon tell me not to rush? Hello, Funlings.
Hi, Thomas. There's something in this tunnel.
Whoa, that sounds like a monster.
Yeah, and until we find out what it is, no one is allowed through the tunnel.
But I'm brave. I'll go in.
I don't think so, Thomas.
Oh, fine.
Yes, sir. I think we've got Thomas's attention. Huh? A dragon?
Yes, Sparks is distracting them. I'm going in.
Why, hello there, Sparks. Do you want a marshmallow? We can see you, Thomas.
What? Oh, but Sparks is distracting you.
No, he's not. We're not scared of Sparks.
Oh, I will find out what's in this tunnel.
Oh, no, he won't. Sparks, you shouldn't have been helping him.
Hehe, this disguise should work.
I think we're doing a good job keeping Thomas out of here.
Hello there.
Oh, hi. Who are you?
I'm, Mr. Greenhair. May I go in the tunnel?
Can we let him in? I don't see why not.
Yes, my disguise is working.
Just one thing. I know that you're Thomas. What? No, he's Mr. Greenhair. No, he's very clearly Thomas. No, look, Thomas is the number 1. Mr. Greenhair is the number 51.
What's going on here? Oh, I don't recognise you. I'm Mr. Bluehair.
Don't you mean Mr. Greenhair?
Oh yes, yes. Whoops. How come you're the number 51? I'm the number 51.
That's because he's actually Thomas.
No, I'm not. Uh-oh.
What? See, I told you he's Thomas. You're trying to get inside this tunnel. You can't go inside the tunnel. Yeah, please go away.
Oh, fine, but I will be back.
How could you not tell that that was Thomas? No, I knew it was Thomas the whole time. Right. Thanks for the help, hero.
That's all right. Keep up the good work and don't let Thomas in that tunnel. Alright, this time I'll use a disguise and a distraction.
I'm here, Thomas.
Please can you distract those Funlings?
Of course, Thomas. What do you think Thomas's next plan will be? I don't know. Hello there, Funlings. Huh? Rockstar Funling! Listen to this.
Yes, he's distracting them. Uh-oh.
Huh? Is someone there? No, I don't think so. Look at me, Funlings. Huh? Did that piece of wood move? How could it? Wood can't move. Look at me. Oh yes, sorry Rockstar Funling. No, I'm sure it moved.
Uh-oh.
Is there something behind it? Thomas!
Oh, my disguise and distraction didn't work.
Hey, Rockstar Funding was just a distraction?
Yes, please just let me look in that tunnel.
No, we're not allowed.
please?
Uh-oh, that sounded like a monster. Yeah, it did, didn't it? No one's allowed inside. Uh-oh.
What was that? I'm going in.
No, don't!
What? What's this? It's just a radio. There's no monster.
Well, no. We're just trying to stop you from going to your shed.
My shed? What's going on at my shed?
Well, I think we've stalled him long enough.
What's going on here?
Surprise!
What? What are you all doing here?
You've been working very hard recently, Thomas.
So you've been voted Solar's Train of the Month.
Oh, thank you. But why couldn't I go inside that tunnel?
Because we were trying to distract you, to give everyone time to decorate your shed.
Oh, Funlings. Well, thanks everyone. What a lovely surprise.